How to log into your Scotiabank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Scotiabank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference, and in the web address bar, simply type in Scotiabank. After that, tap on the first option, which is scotiabank.com. Now it'll take you to the official homepage of Scotiabank, where in order to log it, you'll have to basically tap on the sign in option on the top right side of your screen. Now once you're on this page, simply enter your username or your card number over here. After that, enter your password over here. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option sign in. After that, they will send a two-step verification code to your device, so simply go to your device and then verify that it's actually you who is signing in. And as soon as you do that, you can simply tap on the option continue. And as you can see, that is basically how you log in or sign in to your Scotiabank's online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.